Dion there from Pinky's Iron Doors, and I'm going to explain to you guys what a thermal break material does. Thermal break is basically a piece of metal that we've created that has the outside metal and the inside metal basically don't touch, so it does not conduct any kind of cold into the house. Advantages is if it's freezing on the outside, drops below 25 degrees with a chill factor. If it drops below that, you will not have freeze or sweating on the interior of the house. And that's only because we're using a piece of steel outside or iron outside, and same thing on the inside, and splitting it with a piece of carbon, which carbon is known not to conduct in. With that said, we also do it to our T-bars. Our non-thermal break doors have a 1-inch T-bar. With our thermally broken doors, we'll do a close-up on this also. It does get a little bit thicker only because of the materials itself that we have to roll. Even the T-bars will be thermally broken also. So this is definitely a combo that we use for our thermally broken doors to create doors that were not available in those regions up until this material. So keep in mind, iron doors were always wanted in cold weather areas, but had limitations because of cold weather, because of freeze. We've taken those limitations out by introducing this material.